end on Bitcoin here. We talk a lot about the fundamentals of Bitcoin. You've sort of looked into technical indicators of Bitcoin, which would be kind of revolutionary for the market. Walk us through it.
Okay, back in 2017, we were encouraged to go ahead and monitor the Bitcoin market, but there wasn't much data. It was in its infancy, and the data wasn't. It was really uncharted data or uncharted data. In fact, there wasn't much reservoir of data. But once we started following it, we followed it closely, and we applied the same approach with the 9s and 13s. And lo and behold, December 18th, the exact day of the high, was a 13. So we thought that was just a chance event. It won't happen again. But then on December 14th, the exact day of the low, we recorded a 13th. And that, goes from a chance or coincidence into something with a higher probability. And then in June of this year, on June 17th, we got what we call a misfire, an early 13. But a week and a half later, on the June 26th high, we saw another 13. So what's happened, 3 out of the 4 occasions, they've been the precise day high at top and bottom. And then on the decline that we had in September, a number of people who use our indicators but really abuse them and misuse them call the market bottom, which was wrong because the 9 setup should have been perfected, and it wasn't perfected until the day of the low. We got a 2,300-point rally. Since then, the market traded lower, which we're expecting, and currently we're on an 8 countdown. And the risk downside is quite a bit from here. Even from here, we've got a downside projection of 63.08 minimum, and in a crash decline in this market, we go to 52.94. We've been speaking to Thomas Lee, who we consider the authority on cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, and he's got the fundamentals. And he said there's nothing available as far as timing markets, and that's what we're trying to do is combine the fundamental and the top market timing, and hopefully we'll unlock this market. It's responded very well, just like our indicators did back in the 70s. So we'll keep you updated, and hopefully you'll have us on the air when we record a 13.